karia etire maiga abana inchibe bunge ya Olkalau gokora obochori nabego komochora omojumba bo omuya wetira sekia magia DCP umanyikaine na Douglas Kamau nigo bona barebe kia makia UDA bakorogwo no morikio monene bwe kia mekio Hassan Omar basokirie na Goancherana Amachibu yobochori obo hase bono batebire okugania kwa bantu kwa ba Olkalau wega kunyara ko bakogosikwa Hassan nigo bona mochiro muraibe kia magia DCP rigadi gashagwa satebire chi campaign chiae nigo chibwate chinkwana chogo segeta Kenya murikitoli nyambane na mange
gukwana nabariki bamangana amaya emambia yeritkoria rero no moriki omonene bwekiama kya UDA Hassan Omar ase atebire nonye Amachibu yobochori obwo tarenge no kugania kwabo nigo bayanchiranire na kugania OMOREMBE OENEKIE imeyense ase atebire siasa yense ya Kenya yachire ebirengo binde.
This one we did not emerge victorious, but it shows you that there's a shifting architecture of national politics, that former strongholds have become battlegrounds and former battlegrounds have become the strongest of holds. And therefore, part of that is the reality of politics. We will move on this one, on this loss, and also now prepare for the next election cycle, which is the general elections next year in August.
Chinga kiechecho boigo OENEKIE abamenyi ba Olkalau niko bagochia konyora amagenderero alionsi kwenye serikali ya chakire.
Na tutamaliza zile projects zilianzishwa na zile ambazo zilikuwa zimeanza kabla hapo kama za railway nini zitaendelea kufanya. Hatuna uhasama na mtu. Those are Kenyans like every Kenyan. Ilikuwa wamefikiwa na election and we did what we needed to do within an election cycle.
Nonye nabo otogire ekiombe kyobochori nechimbebe IEBC ase egasengia abaenekirie ase boigo aboriri bari bakwamiririe serikali Goancherana Amachibu yobochori ekerari mamincha no kugania kwabo.
Is to congratulate the IEBC. You did a stellar job. You held us all to account. You let the popular will of the people of Kenya prevail. You ignored the title holder of press conferences. The same IBC granted us victories that they rejected in 9 major by-elections that we've had. CC vote or exclude anyone, not zone. If you bring we election anywhere else in the West, we will still go there.
Area Ensoko TV kurwa ase county ya Nairobi area tariane Linet Inyambane.